In my opinion, the worst invention ever is the nuclear weapons. Nuclear weapons are the most terrifying weapon ever invented. No weapon is more destructive, no weapon causes much unspeakable human suffering, and there is no way to control how far the radioactivity fallout will spread or how long this effect will last. A nuclear bomb detonated in a city will immediately kill tens of thousands of people, and tens of thousands more will suffer horrific injuries and later die from radiation exposure. In addition to the immense short-term loss of life, a nuclear war could cause long-term damage to our planet. It could certainly disrupt the Earth's ecosystem and reduce global temperatures, resulting in food shortage around the world. Nuclear weapons have been used twice on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August of 1945. Evidence from these occasions, as well as atmospheric nuclear testing and nuclear power accidents, have formed the basis of our knowledge of the effects of nuclear weapons. Modern nuclear weapons generally have much greater explosive power than those first two bombs, and will greatly increase the scale of the devastation. If we are talking about the short term causes about the nuclear weapons, we need to talk about the survivors that will be affected within a matter of days by radioactivity fallout. The extent of the fallout will vary according to the whether the nuclear bomb detonated in the air or upon impact on the ground, while the former will contain more blast impact. The latter will drop much larger quantities of radioactivity debris into the atmosphere. The area covered by the fallout is determined by wind speed and direction. The heavier particles of radioactivity material will fall into immediate or close vicinity. Thinner particles will be blown over a longer distance before they descend. Very fine particles may be blown even further before they combine with water vapor and fall as radioactivity rain. I think there's no more much to say about this topic because, in my opinion, the worst invention ever created by the human being is the nuclear bombs. Because at the end of the day, these weapons, the only thing that causes it's suffering, deaths, contamination, pollution, and wars between the countries. So that's why I choose this topic because I think this is the worst invention ever created. Thank you.